advisor, the prettiest Miss Teresa Alavata. With Sir Viscalia and our General PTA President, Dean Viscalia.
Thank you, beautiful MC. Okay. Merry Christmas once again. Likewise, I'm very proud to present to you that out of 32 pupils of the SSES grade 6, 2 are with high honors and 30 are with honors. Palakpak naman dyan. Okay.
Pa-forward na sila Pa-forward sila Ipa-forward na sila daan.
Forward na grade 6 lahat. Okay.
With your parents. With their parents.
Certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to Denise for achieving the Academic Excellence Award with high honors with an average of 96.94 during the second quarter in grade 6 SSES Rose School Year 2024-2025. In the month of December 2024, honors goes to Milena Isabella A. With an average of 95.47. Congratulations.
Congrats, Mama. Congrats.
With honors. This is in alphabetical order. With honors goes to Amira Tia Rabi with an average of 92.06.
Asamin yung mama.
Okay. Syra May Arbuban with an average of 92%.
11. Ano pa?
Char Evo Campaner with an average of 90.25. Char Campaner. What parents are here? Congratulations.
Winner na din po kay good parents are here. Saka ito Jiri.
Another certificate of recognition with honors goes to Quincy J.A. Kanaman, 93.31. Okay. Fat A. Kanama with honors, 92.4. Sana si Mama. Madali, ka na lang. Julian Noel A. Kayaka with an average of 92.72. Palakpak naman dyan, grade 6. Music. With honors goes to Novi Shines Bigayaganon with an average of 91.19. Palakpak, grade 6. Continuous clapping, please. With honors, Michelle L. Dayawan. Ang kapatid na lang ang mag-receive. Dayawan.
O, tawag kang Lula.
Dayawan. Congratulations. With honors, P.N. Rob D. Lepas with an average of 93.59. Congratulations. Kate Janel Adepas with honors with an average of 91.81. With honors, Yuri S. La Peña. Certificate of Recognition, Engineer Award, Rainier G. L. Ivan. With honors.